Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Alexis Sanchez or Julian Brandt. Choose one of the mystery signing player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this mystery signing banner. Welcome to the mystery signings. You can reveal player clues to pick mystery player rewards and accumulate progress in getting the milestone rewards. So, talk about this milestone reward. This is the last player, the third player, so we can unlock this player, unlock the milestone. Before that, let's see. We already uncover both player. The first player is Julian Brandt, central attacking midfielder with 90 OVR. The second player, the player B, is Alexis Sanchez, center forward with 90 OVR. So please choose wisely which player that fit into your formation, into your tactic. Maybe Julian Brandt or Alexis Sanchez. So if you already decide, you can choose this box, Sanchez or Julian Brandt. In this case, I need this Julian Brandt because he is part of TOTY, so I can exchange in a TOTY exchange, top exchange, by tap this free button and then tap to open. We got player from Germany, central attacking midfielder, play for Borussia Dortmund in Bundesliga, Julian Brandt. So good luck, choose wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click the button below. Enjoy the game.